I already finished one side of the eyes, and now I'm going to do this one and show you guys exactly what I need. Before I apply any eyeshadow, I already eye smoothing, eye contour creams. This one help my skin is like soften and easier to apply like the eyeshadow. And now to start, I'm going to apply a eye primer. So this one is Marc Sugar Paint Pot. Because of the palette doesn't have like the brighter color to be the first layer, which is I always do. So I'll pick up like a really bright color from this palette. This one from Obsession Makeup, and the color is E113. Now I'm going to use the same brush, dip in this color right here. I love this color because it's really easy to wear like in your normal basic stay also. And the methyl one also pretty. This one is methyl, this one is depth. This one I prefer it more. So I'm gonna apply it here. I'm not using a lot of color in the same time that I always use a little to a little. Also here, I need to blend the color very well. Use the blending brush E36. My brush is quite old already. You can see like all the skin of the brush is like coming off because I just damaged it so much. Pick up the metal color, so I'm gonna work it like right in the crease. You can see this in my crease. I'm gonna just work it right here. .35 blending brush, like it's really is a clean brush, so I can easy to dust the excess of the eyeshadow off. I'm using a Morphe S20. This one is from like a collection. So dip my brush in the color called Grape. This color is like really dark navy. I'm using the E36 brush again, and then just blend two colors together. I'm going to use the Morphe E21 and using a eraser concealer. And I'm just blend like any color left in the brush. I'm just gonna blend it in here. Pick up the color called Switch. So immediately when this palette come into me, I'm thinking of obviously doing a reviews and also doing a new makeup look, like this makeup look specifically. To help the makeup look more popping, I'm going to use this glitter right here. I already opened, so I don't want to like make the glitter fly everywhere. This one is from NYX Cosmetics. Before that, I'm gonna apply some glitter glue. What's holding you down? I ain't like others. Don't let them hold your ground. I'm going to apply some liner into my eyes here, like the light here and also the underline. I'm going to use a black gel liner, this one from Maybelline. I almost finished it, so I'm gonna retouch it soon. Now going back to the brush from Morphe, which I use for the grape color, and I just dip the brush in the grape color again, and then just going to blend it together with the gel liners as I just outline my eyes and then just move forward. Now I'm using this little brush right here, is E22, and dip it in the metal color. I'm drag it down from here to here, blending those two colors together.
What's holding you down? I ain't like others. Don't let them hold your ground.
Before I'm going to apply the lashes on, I'm going to use a mascara from Smashbox. This one is a trial. I got it like from the box of the gift, so I'm just gonna use that today. And I'm gonna apply some Lilish lashes. This one is Figure. I love this style so much. But before I'm gonna apply it, I'm gonna curl it for a bit because I own this one for quite a long time now, and it's start like losing the curve. So I just want to run a really quick thought about this palette right here. So it's so pretty that, oh, do I look like the girl in here? I think so. Yeah, baby. Yeah, I look like her. The first thing is this brand is a UK based brand, and I read like from behind of their palette, we get really good. They left out the information. So where they produce this is in Liverpool. They have like contains 10 shadow. 2, 4, 6, 8. No, it's just 8. So in the palette, there are 8 different color, which is really pretty and easy to work with. I am really loving this color right here. It's called Crush, but the thing is, I only do colorful shadow like 1 per month because like it's really damaged my eyes. Even like I'm so in love with the color, but like I can't do it a lot, so probably pop on next month. I'm gonna do a makeup look so you guys can see it. And another one I love is I already speak like during the makeup, so I love the Death one and also the Metal. These two are so easy to work with. Like you guys can just like put on some concealer on your face, and then like put on a little bit concealer to be like the primer of the eyes, and then put on this color right in and use this fit to go. Girls, is it so easy? This color is like it's like really dark navy, and in my eyelid you see it's like almost like black. The reason is because my base is not like white color, so you can't see like the navy things. Switch is also a really pretty color, which is the base for the glitter of my eye today. This fun color, like I found it's really similar to one of the color in the palette of Huda Beauty. Okay, so in general, I am loving this palette. I'm really impressed with the brush. Seriously, if I have a chance and I want to get another palette, I would, because like they are worth it and they are cheap, and also the pigment is amazing. You can see like on my eyes today, the pigment is worked really pretty. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.